In this video tutorial, we will explain the item in your dashboard, My Vehicles. Now, clicking on the item menu, My Vehicle, we will have a list of all vehicles that a dealer has registered. We will also have a search engine which can help us to find a specific vehicle. We can filter the information by stock number, year, make, model, trim, VIN number, the status if a vehicle is sold or purchased, and date field. Finally, press the red button that says Search. In this part, we will have a list of all the vehicles. Clicking on the button Show Images, we will add to the list the image of the vehicle. In the list, we will have stock number, make, model, trim, VIN number, inventory days, and the status if the vehicle is purchased or sold. Clicking on the register of the vehicle that is selected, we could see complete information of that vehicle. We will see their data, the photograph enlarged, sell information, buy information, the documentation and history of the vehicle. By clicking on the item, Add Expenses, we'll see a page where you can add and view information about the cost of a vehicle, date, vendors, quantities, etc. Also, we can add a new vendor pressing the red button, Add New Supplier. In this part, you can enter the information of your vendors. Remember, the fields that have asterisks are mandatory. And this process, clicking on the red button, Save Supplier. In the square, Vehicle Costs and Expenses, clicking on this icon will get a more detailed square of the costs and expenses where there are descriptions. Clicking on this icon, you can visualize and print the document related to the type of costs and expenses. For example, if it's either an invoice or receipt. Clicking on this other icon, you can obtain a file with PDF format, which will give you the opportunity to visualize and save to print later if you desire. The file will have the name expenses.pdf. We will return to the last page, which is the one that adds an expense to a vehicle. Now, we will go to the tab of the sub-menu, Information Vehicle. We can also view all of the information of the vehicle and its cost. You can upload documents related to the vehicle in the section Upload Documents. You can upload up to 10 documents at a time, adding or subtracting from the red buttons that have the signs plus and minus. In this part, you can see any document that has been saved previously. Clicking on the tab of the sub-menu, Bought From, you can see the information of the purchase of the vehicle as the seller, the broker, the commission, the expenses, and the cost. You can add a seller by clicking on the red button, Seller, and then by filling out the information required. Finish this process by pressing the red button, Save Seller. The same way you can add a broker by clicking the red button, Add Broker. Then you will fill out the required information and finish by pressing the red button, Save Broker. If we click on the tab Sold to Information, we can add a broker, add a buyer, the date of the sale, the miles, the sales amount, upload documentation related to the vehicle, as well as view any document. Thank you for your attention.